Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic. Well, do you know about YouTube play buttons? These are some awards given by YouTube to those creators who have created a milestone like 1 million, 10 million, 100k, and recently a company and YouTube channel that crossed the milestone of 1000 subscribers. So here what I made for them. This is a customized play button that I made for them as a gift for crossing the subscription of 1000 subscribers. And if you don't know about the Witblox, there is a link in the description. You can also check their channel. And if you want me to make this play button, then I will create an tutorial on this, how to make and customize YouTube play button. So before that, I need 1000 subscribers. So we have only less number of amount left to get 1000 subscribers. So please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon, because when I will make the video and upload it on YouTube, you can get instant notifications. Thank you. Till then, be cool, work smart.